Zoey, you look like back in the days. Hey, back in the days, girl, Zoey. Come right us and stop going. I want you, Zoey, ease yourself. Zoey, you look like 2002. Scooby-Doo, I want you, you're outside and you want to come argue with me. Argue with your wig.
Okay, so I just wanted to address the whole situation and just say what first before I respond to anybody. I want to explain myself and why I was at that place at that time. The few persons in a Kingston will know we. Everybody know we as the three girls from Mobile. Everybody always see we and they always see us together. And they know us as the three girls from Montego Bay. We don't have anybody up there like that. So when we go up there together and we go up there to go to our party, which is Dolly Party. Arjay called me. So my friends were already in the car. You understand? They were already in the car, and as a matter of fact, it's family, right? I never carry nobody to go fight nobody. I go about my business, and he called me to meet up. Apparently, obviously, as what I want to know say, or as what I want to say, he a girl clone or whatever for Zoey. I don't know if for everybody or it's for just her, but I just felt away. I'm a human being. I have a right to feel away. Why the hell are you going to ask me to clear up your relationship with your girlfriend? So when him called me, just in my feelings at the time, it wasn't something that I thought about because they didn't even know exactly what was going on. As a matter of fact, he never explained everything fully to me, but I got a grasp of what he was trying to say. So because of that, I said, yeah man, maybe. So when I went there, you can see when him tell me exactly like he's coaching me, which that wasn't what I expected in the first place. Coach me and tell me to say, so I say alright then. But by the way, she look for me like she said that when we walk up to her, like she look for me like she said dog, so like me did already like, you know what I say, yeah, me I go tell her. I'm going to tell her exactly what happened. Me not go make him see obviously it's already over the internet. People know about the whole situation, and then obviously him texted for me. If he can't get me, him call my cousin or him call my friend. Like him really texted for me. So for him to tell me if he go tell Zoey that, I feel some type of way. I know what to feel some type of way. Even though I never know the full story full, but I felt some type of way. I didn't say anything to anyone. So when I was there now, and him talk when I talk, I never go to beat nobody, and obviously as me say, me don't beat me, not put me hand on a pregnant woman unless she puts her hands on me.
The thing is that, you know, I know a lot of people like been saying a lot of stuff and things like that about gang bang and stuff like that, but yes, you know, if you speak justice in real life, be fair. If I did uno and friends go out, which you can't better explain the whole story, so just let me cut it short and done. If I did uno and a friend apart and see someone else try to attack your friend, would you just stand by and watch it? Like seriously, I want to answer to that. Would you people just stand by and watch it? Because you see, I want to ask the police too. If you just did stay by and watch it to your ear, then the having friend them did and them look away and them could even defend her or what them friend them look away. You do something which I didn't even went there to fight anyone. You understand? She was the one.
And they edited the video. They edited the video, so they're not gonna show exactly
right. She started it.
How everything went. They make it seem as if I'm the bad person. I'm not the bad person here.
Flip up her.
All I did was I spoke my mind, and obviously she confused about her baby father. She confused about this. She confused about that. So obviously she confused about me too. You understand? And then for your boyfriend to come or your temper, whatever it is, because I don't know what the situation is. See if you come and say that to me, that's disrespect. The next thing is that we never, as me tell you, we didn't come to Kingston for RJ and Tavii or who
We come
figure Dolly Sundays. Like anybody who has seen us, me, I'll cut the conversation.
We don't even get to go
my chain of thought got messed up because this is too much. Come figure Dolly Sundays. When him call me, as me say, we're on our way to go get we hair done. But not even call me yet just because she knows on weekends the 3 girls from Mobi always come up. Right? Since I found that hairdresser, me just want to see. I put on this and say, I try to make her go to her, make she give me the type of edges them more me like. So yeah. When him call me, me just leave what me I do and I showed up, right? But I never expect say them have a drama and Zoey we never flip up and
see what people don't know, you don't go for judge. Don't judge. You better you know, not just step in and just assume and just talk about a bag of crap and you don't really know what the case is. Because the thing is that when you see me really did upset with her. I'm upset with her with the whole situation because me never want to share RJ for no dealings like that. Me been telling her that girl just load that alone. That don't make no sense. They go look like an idiot because first of all, them are social media people. You understand? So they will try to do any little thing, and then just go put it up out there to get them views and stuff like that. Like the videoing. You understand?
That's why you turn it off. And them are going like say, you did something wrong. Yeah, turn it off. RJ made it seem as if him and Zoey. Yeah, they me confused. Like,
but RJ like him and Zoey not really in anything like that. You understand? And based on all,
it make it seem like it's just for social media. That's what.
Alright, you still like alright.
Him and Zoey know nothing physical is for social media. Then you say things are going. You know them people there when they tell you something like it's just not making any sense. They lie, but every time they lie to you and you say yes, you're lying to me. And then try go around you and try do something nice or something sweet for you. It's like that never happened. But at the end of the day, it doesn't disappear. It still exists.
Yeah.
So he's that type of person, and then make everything come down for me, make it look like I'm a bad person. Why Zoey I go out there and talk say I pushed her? Zoey pushed me
first.
Zoey pushed me. I'm not seeing that in the video. Nobody's saying that she pushed me. And I did not push her. I did not push her upon no belly. She lying.
And then, the thing is that,
it's like, listen, me can't.
You know what really upset me? I just never did want to be a part of this. The fact that me been I tell her to just leave RJ alone. Because Zoey and RJ, they act like say they are not in any form of relationship. And you understand? Them still in a relationship. This minute they are not in any, the next minute they're in a relationship. Every minute RJ say him and Zoey not there and them look weird. And then now my cousin now they say him alone and them look weird and everything would bam now you see two of them again. I can't understand. So,
the whole thing is that the whole intention was not to go pull up on anybody or anything. Right? RJ's plan was, it looked to me like RJ the plan to make me look like I'm the stupid ass idiot.
And then
that's how it seemed to me. So obviously, I'm not gonna make him feel like him can't use me for that. Every woman, all I don't have feelings, I'm gonna like say, you would not be there or whatever the case is. It was not intended for that. That's not what he explained to me. He said something to me, but he did not explain it to an extent. Say, yeah, me and you and Zoey are going to sit down and you going to tell Zoey, say, me and you never, that's not what he called me upon the phone.
But I never expect all of this drama. We never expect
he made it seem like, alright,
we never expect all of this drama.
She's pregnant and it might be his child and, she know you. That was the kind of vibe I got. But the way you him say it too, because him a if and about me feel hurt. You would have to hear it to understand it. And as I feel some type of me say, alright then I'm gonna go. Zoey or whatever you want you. They come and talk about me and my friend them no. That's alright. We don't have no problem with that. That's fine. Tavii.
Zoey.
Tavii.
Zoey.
Yeah. Come on.
Come right out.
Jesus is Lord.
Zoey, come right.
Let me come argue with
Come
you.
right, Zoey. Zoe, come right here. So let me tell you something, Zoe. You need to have manners and respect. You understand? It's when you see nice people, you have respect to them. You don't have no behavior. Zoe, you can't argue with me, argue with this, argue with your wiggle.
$20 dolly.
$20 dolly.
$20 dolly, girl. Don't argue with me. You know too much. You need to know your way to the
Zoe, let me talk to Zoe then. Well, because she get bright, she get well bright. Zoe, may I talk to you? Let me tell you something. You sit on the table and talk to me. You understand me? You sit
I don't want to fight too much things in your room. I want to fight.
Zoe, come right here, so. Zoe,
So you come like the old time, first time, the old time big woman. I don't know if you come like you want to go argue, you want to come class.
Zoe,
class
2.5 can't suit you. Zoe seems like you're safe to buy an aeroplane. Zoe, you look like back in the days. Hey, back in the days, girl, Zoe. Come right us and stop one. I want you. Zoe, ease yourself. Zoe, you look like 2002. Scooby-Doo, I want you your outside and you want to come argue with me. Argue with your wig. Argue with the edges them. Your wig want to catch a fire. You want to catch a fire, Zoe. Argue with the edges them. Boy, you're going to talk and go like a night. Eh? And then you flee the boots. How you flee the